Hey there, fellow travelers. Picture this. You've got a suitcase in one hand, a backpack in the other, and, oh yeah, your precious little one, who's as excited as ever, and maybe just a tad bit sleepy. Oh yeah, and the early morning flight you have to catch. The one where the sun is barely up, and you're at the airport before the coffee shops even think about opening. If you're a parent, you know the struggle is real when it comes to jet setting with your little ones. Early morning flights, long layovers, it's enough to make anyone break a sweat. But fear not, because in this video, the Traveling with Kids channel is bringing a complete game changer for all the young traveling parents out there, especially those facing the early morning flight and the dreaded layover. So, if you're ready to upgrade your travel experiences with the little ones, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get started. Ah, the dreaded layover. Every parent's worst traveling nightmare. You've got tired little feet, anxious faces, the countdown to the next flight that seems to be moving in slow motion, and the lengths you'd have to go to keep the little ones entertained, all while keeping an eye on the departure board. Oh, and let's not forget the overpriced snacks and that ever-elusive comfortable seat. It's a challenge to say the least. And yet, amidst the chaos, order may still be achieved. And to achieve that order that you so desperately seek, all you need is one simple tip. Find a comfortable and family-friendly space to crash. Yup, that's it. We wish there was more to it, but there really is no substitute for a good place to rest and keep the kids entertained while you wait for hours and hours until your next flight. But you know very well that finding that space you need is almost impossible. Airports just won't do. You can kill hours at an airport as an adult, no problem. Maybe spend the time at a lounge or a bar. Maybe kill the hours shopping in the duty-free shopping areas. But with kids? Forget about it. Finding a good place in the city you're in to rest and have a cup of coffee and keep the kids entertained sounds like a good idea. But are you really going to drag your luggage around with you everywhere you go? Plus, how much rest can you actually get when you're moving from one spot to another in a city you probably don't know much about? What you need is a hotel room, a good, affordable hotel room. Not the overpriced airport hotels with not much more than a bed and a dresser. What you need is a real hotel, a place where you can really rest, where you can enjoy a great meal, where you can access good facilities, where your kids can be kids and play around. But is it really worth paying for the whole night when you'll only be there for a few hours? And anyways, most hotel bookings allow you to check in the afternoon. So what good does that do when you land there very early in the morning? And this is where the Daydream Hub comes in. At daydreamhub.com, you can easily find and book hotels for daytime use at very affordable prices. So no more waiting, no more struggling, and no more dreading long layovers. And with a rapidly expanding network of over 40 affiliated hotels to choose from, primarily in Asia, the Daydream Hub is not just a solution, but a true game changer. All you need to do to save yourself a load of hassle is go to daydreamhub.com. Register or log in, find an affiliate hotel in the city you'll be in, and book a room for the time you will be needing it directly from the website. This booking will give you access to a room and all of the hotel's other facilities, of course, for the time you actually need it. So you won't have to wait for the hotel's check-in time to use the rooms. You also won't have to pay extra to cover the whole night when you will just be there for a few hours. You pay only for what you need. So the next time you take a vacation with your kids, don't make it hard for yourself or the kids. Remember, the whole point of the vacation is that you actually enjoy it. So, go for peace of mind and make sure to book your room for daytime use. And what's more, the Daydream Hub are offering our subscribers the chance to win a completely free stay at one of their affiliated hotels. If you want more information on this unmissable offer, click the link in the description below. And remember that with daytime use hotels, the once dreaded layovers can become an opportunity for quality family time. And that's what it's all about.